What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today we're going to be doing an unboxing, specs, information video, measurements, weights on the Dewalt 12V Xtreme 1/2" impact wrench that just came out, which is the 801 bare tool. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Hope you guys are having an awesome rest of your day so far. So today is June 2nd, 2021. It's Wednesday. I picked this up yesterday, or no, not yesterday. I picked this up today, as well as I picked up that Metabo kit right there for the channel today as well. Want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, people that watch, comment, like, and subscribe. It is these videos, I do them for you guys and you guys watching. And the channel's now paying for tools like this, and this was one of them the channel paid for, so I could bring it to you guys. So I want to say thank you. I also want to quickly say, please go like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates like these. Like that. That's an up and coming video for you guys. Alright, so we're gonna pop the straps off. We're gonna get into this. There isn't, much information on the box. Gonna peel off. Huh? Okay, that one peels off. Alright. Looks like there's 3 of them on here. I just slid that one off. Alright. So this is Delta Charlie Foxtrot 901 Bravo. I have to make it a correction. I said 801, I believe, in the intro, in the description intro, which is that 20-second clip to give you guys information. I apologize. But this is the Delta Charlie Foxtrot 901 Bravo. I believe I said 801. So this is the 1/2" impact wrench tool only. Max fastening torque, 250 foot-pounds, or 338 Newton-meters. Max breakaway torque, 400 foot-pounds, which is 542 Newton-meters. And I will leave a card up here for this tool in action on Torque Test channel. This tool did not meet its 400 foot-pound rating, but it did beat the Milwaukee 1/2" Stubby on torque, which to me is impressive. No load speed is 0 to 2,850 RPMs. Drive size 1/2", 13 millimeter square. Impacts per minute 0 to 3,250 impacts per minute, or IPM. Sorry about that. Excuse me. Tool length 5.2 inches. Tool weight 2.2 pounds without a battery. So we're going to get this box open. We're going to weigh it, measure it, do measurements with different size batteries. Now all I have is a bunch of 2s. I got 10 2s or 12 2s and a 5. I don't have any 3s, and I didn't want to pay $59 for a 3. My Lowe's didn't do that deal. I had a couple of you commenters and viewers comment that the 3 amp hours were being sold at Lowe's for $15. The problem was none of my stores in my state had that deal, so that was a bummer. But it is what it is. I would have picked up several if they were 15, but box open. This has a date code of 2020. I'm not sure what the 524731 is, but got your instruction booklet, belt clip, and tool. Definitely feels a lot beefier than the 3/8. And I'll grab the 3/8 in this video and we'll take a look at it. Definitely looks a lot beefier. I was hoping that it had speed selection, but it doesn't. The 3/8 actually has a low and a high speed selector up here. That's kind of a bummer. But it is what it is. Alright. Bring the scale in. Move the batteries out the way. Tool only. See what the weight is by itself, as long as you don't have the clip on it. You can stand it straight up. What is it with the clip? So it's 2 pounds, 4.2 ounces. There is no, I guess there's no way to attach the clip. There's no screw. Oh, that's funny. Wow. I guess they didn't really want you to attach the clip. So the clip adds 2.50. Oh, there's the screw. Huh. Alright. So it's 2.42 without the clip. 2.50 with the clip and the screw, so it doesn't really add much. It's a little over 0.6 ounces or so. 0.8. It's not much. Alright. So these are fully charged twos, by the way. So it's 7.7 ounces for that too. 7.8 for this one. So it's a little variant. And this 5 amp hour. It's 14.3 ounces. So it's almost a pound. Almost. So with a 2, it is 2 pounds, 12.1 ounces, which isn't bad. There you go, get rid of the glare for you guys. That's not bad at all. Torquey little dude. I'm going to test this too also because it was a little bit lighter. Yeah, this one says 2 pounds, 12 ounces exactly. So it's going to depend on your 2 amp hour. Some of them are different weights. It's pretty beefy with this battery on it, kind of a little heavy. 3 pounds, 2.5 ounces. So it is a pound heavier at about 0.2 or 3 ounces more. It's not bad. The detent switch feels nice. I do like the tri-LEDs. I still wish they would have given you a high or low on this tool. But, you know, you can feather the trigger. Let's count how many steps there are in the variable speed trigger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 steps. I might have miscounted one, so it's probably 19 or 20 steps, which is not bad at all. £3, 2.7 ounces. It's a nice tool though. It is definitely beefier than the 3/8, that is for sure. Here's the 3/8 model. And these are a little different. The 3/8 has like the halo style. 3 LEDs. Kind of with the you can see the chip all the way around. The 1/2 inch, it's just showing the 3 LEDs. They put a rubber boot around it. But you can see there's a huge difference between this and the 3/8 model. I'm going to install the clip, because I normally install the clips anyways. I don't normally... I usually just hang these off my hip normally. But when it comes to impacts like these, I normally just set them on a chair or on a flat surface or on my lap or whatever I'm doing. Make sure we can get this battery off too. Yep. It's not interfering with the battery or anything like that. So with the clip completely attached, it's 3 pounds, 3.5 ounces with this 5 and the clip. And then this too, it is 2 pounds, 12.8 ounces with the clip and the battery as well as the screw. This one real quick. 2 pounds, 12.8. Yep, so that one's reading the same now. Alright, so also gonna grab 2 for the 3/8 with its belt clip. It is 2.4. 2 pounds, 4.2 ounces for the 3/8 model. This one is 2 pounds, 12.9 ounces. So it is significantly a little bit heavier. Not a lot. But the 5 amp hour is probably going to be best. It's going to give you the most torque for tools like these. 3 pounds, 3.4 ounces for the new 1/2 inch. The 3/8. It's 2 pounds, 10.7 ounces. So it is a significant difference. 2 pounds, 10.8. 3 pounds, 3.4. So it's about 6 or so ounces heavier, which is not a lot, but it can be significant in the sense that over time, holding it up above your head. I do wish the 3/8 has the low, the high, and the auto mode. I wish that you were given that option on the 1/2 inch model. Here's the difference in head sizes. We'll measure them real quick as a comparison. So here's the two. You can definitely tell that it's definitely heavier. Lot beefier on the heads. Alright. So, the 3/8 at its widest point is 2 1/8. The 1/2 inch at its widest point is 2 1/2. It looks more like 2 3/8, but what's this end cap say? 2 3/8 and 1/16. So yeah, it's about 2 1/2 from the center, the widest point, which is a significant difference. This is 2 1/8. So it's about 6/16 bigger, which is it is significant when you're looking at it. It's not like, oh my god, it's so bad, but it's a significant difference when you're looking at it, especially at the nose cones. It is really wide compared to the older nose cone. So the 1/2 inch length with a 2 amp hour it is 8 3/4 of an inch with a 2 amp hour. The 3/8 is 8 5/8, so it is a little bit longer, about 1/4 inch longer. It's about 2/16 of an inch longer between the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch. There is a significant weight, in my opinion, by holding them. The 1/2 inch is definitely heavier. A lot heavier to me. The detent on the forward and reverse feels very nice. With a 5 amp hour, I'm going to take the 2s off. With a 5 amp hour, its length with a 5 is 9 3/4 of an inch, so 9 inches and 3/4 of an inch long, with a 5 for the 1/2 inch model. For the 3/8, It is 9 1/4. So there is definitely a difference between the 3/8 and the half. 9 1/4 compared to the half at 3/4. 8/16 different in length with a 5. It's about 2 1/4 inches. Let me see. Two and 3/8 on the front nose cone for the 1/2 inch. On the 3/8 model, it is 1 3/4. So it's definitely, the nose cone is a drastic difference. So 2 1/8. Let me see it straight on. Yeah. It's actually more like 2 1/4. It might be riding on 2 3/8. So it's definitely well over 1.5 inches more on width in the front. The back, I think I showed this already, but we'll do it again. It is 2 1/2 inches wide in the rear on the 1/2 inch. Compared to the 3/8, which is 2 1/8 plus 1/16 over. The 3/8 kind of points straight, where the 1/2 inch is pointed slightly up. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. There. Kind of flat horizontal. This one points slightly up. Got your instruction booklet, came in the box. That is all I got for you guys today. Hope it was very informative and helpful to you guys. You don't have to use the belt clips. When it comes to like impact wrenches, like my Milwaukees, I don't ever put the belt clips on them because they're just really heavy, bulky. They normally don't come with belt clips, and I'm a mechanic. I'm not a construction worker or anything like that. But I do put belt clips on, 12-volt tools, because more than likely I'm using these in a construction style work area, or I'm building something. Not necessarily for a car. These I'm going to be using on vehicles, and I'm going to be putting them on the service truck. But I thought, might be handy to give them a try, see what they can do. I know this one's got a little more beef in its step, and I will put a card probably here or at the very beginning of the video. The Torque Test channel did a video on this, and it actually made more torque than the Milwaukee 1/2 inch Stubby, which was pretty impressive. So you might guys want to go check that out. I do want to say thank you to all the everybody here. Please go like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description below. I also do have an Ulsa Tools link for you guys. If you want to use it, it'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. Want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the likers, the dislikers, the commenters, the people that use the affiliate links, the people that watch the ads that are on the channel when the channel plays. It is all thanks to you guys that the channel is monetized and the channel is making money. Everything you guys are doing is helping me bring tools like this to the channel, because the channel is now paying for these tools, which is awesome. Channel did pay for this 1/2" impact, and it did pay for the Metabo kit sitting here. Sneak peek. Do appreciate you guys stopping by. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!